In this tutorial, I'll show you how to run effective team meetings in FigJam. By the end, you'll have a clear FigJam board set up for your meeting. You'll guide your team through a focused discussion, capture decisions, assign action items, and wrap up with a board that's ready for follow-up. First, prepare before the meeting. Create a new FigJam board. From your FigJam home, click New FigJam to open a blank board. At the top, add a clear meeting title, today's date, us, and a one-sentence objective so everyone understands the goal. Now, insert sections for the core parts of your meeting. Add an agenda section, a discussion topics section, an action items section, and a parking lot for extra topics that come up. You can add text headings and simple containers so these areas are easy to see. To save time, open the template picker and choose a template such as retrospective, brainstorm, or roadmap. Apply the template that best matches your meeting. You can still keep the sections you just created and adjust the template blocks to fit. Next, structure the board clearly. Organize your content into clean, scannable sections labeled Agenda, Ideas or Brainstorm, Decisions, and Action Items. Create a visible flow from left to right or top to bottom so participants can follow along easily. Use frames to group each section and keep related content together on the canvas. Turn on auto layout for those frames so items snap into place and stay evenly spaced as you add notes. This makes the board easier to navigate during a live meeting. Now, encourage participation. Ask everyone to add sticky notes during brainstorm sessions. Click the sticky note tool, choose a color, and type a short idea per note. Let the team know where to place their notes, inside the ideas or brainstorm section. Use the timer for focused activities. Click the timer at the top, set it to 5 minutes for an idea sprint, and press start so everyone sees the countdown. Use voting to prioritize ideas quickly. Start a voting session, set how many votes each person gets, and let the team click to vote on the most valuable notes. Encourage quick reactions with emojis like claps, raised hands, or thumbs up for fast feedback without interrupting the flow. After that, facilitate clearly. Assign a facilitator to guide the flow. If you're leading, keep the board centered on the current section and call out transitions, such as moving from the agenda to ideas. Assign a note taker to summarize key decisions directly in the decisions section, so nothing is lost. As you discuss, move sticky notes into clusters in real time. Click and drag related notes together and place them inside the appropriate frame so patterns become clear. Keep conversations aligned with the agenda by returning to the agenda section and checking off topics as you go. From here, turn discussion into action. Convert key decisions into clear action items. In the action items section, create a sticky note or small card for each task, starting with a verb so it's explicit. Assign each task to a specific person by typing their name on the note. Add due dates directly on the board so timelines are visible. Highlight high-priority tasks with color coding. Use a consistent color for urgent items so the team can spot them instantly. Once that's done, handle the steps after the meeting. Clean up messy notes by removing duplicates, fixing typos, and consolidating clusters so the board stays readable. Summarize key outcomes at the top of the board. Add a short recap that includes the main decisions and the list of action items. Share the board link with the team by clicking. Share and copying the link so everyone can review and follow through. Revisit action items in the next meeting by opening this same board and checking progress directly in the action items section. At this point, your FigJam board is structured. Your meeting flow is clear, participation is built in, decisions are captured, and action items are assigned and visible. Your setup for running effective team meetings in FigJam is complete and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.